Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the bargain bead box unboxing for January of 2024 and I'm very excited. I haven't looked at it yet. I opened it up, but I haven't looked at it yet. So let's see what is in here. It's called Dusty Rose. Rodite stars in this vintage inspired collection. We love the luxe feel of this natural pink and black gemstone, especially when accented with sparkling crystal, pink freshwater shell, ooh, a touch of black tourmaline, and medallion motifs in antique copper. Okay. And it says that this box is approximately $83.33. So, I have a coupon code, bargain bead box, coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. Their monthly boxes are usually $22.99 a month, but they can be valued anywhere between $60 and $80 something dollars. Oh, look at this gorgeous. Okay. Dusty Rose. I'm all over this. Okay. These are gorgeous. Freshwater shell Rondo nugget beads. Oh, I love these. They're all different sizes and some rhodonite. Oh, rose quartz. Yes, and this is matte. And then we've got some pink rhodonite, faceted round beads. 20 pieces. Roll back some cap beads. Oh, and look at these pretty things. Right over drops. Okay, let me get everything. Oh, look at these. Everything's set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting off with the rhodonite and brass pendant that is valued at $5.99. This is really pretty. Very sturdy. It's not flimsy. Very pretty. Oh, I love this. I love this month's box. I love copper. I'm a copper girl. Number 2 is 15-inch 6mm pink rhodonite faceted round beads. Oh, look at these. This is so pretty. Look at this. You could do a double bracelet and call it a day. These are pretty. And you can see all the sparkles coming from them. The faceted, where they're faceted. Oh, so pretty. Loving this month's box. We're going to have a blast with this. Number 3. Okay. This is one of my favorites too. 14.5-inch freshwater shell Rondo nugget beads, dyed pink. So, yeah, each one of these is a little different in color, a little different in size. And just another one. Make yourself a double bracelet. You know, if you have any extra ones of these left, you could even mix these together. You could do a stretchy bracelet with these. Yeah, the holes look like they're big enough. Or you can use these as spacers. This is so pretty. They outdid themselves again. Okay, and pull up my sleeves here. It is freezing here in Florida. It is like 55 degrees. Number 4 is 15-inch 8mm rhodonite round beads, $7.99. Oh, these are pretty. These nice long strands they're giving us too. This at Michael's would be like a lot of money. Look how pretty these are. Holes look good. I like putting them in here because that way I remember what's what. Once I start working with them, then I take them out of their things. And, oh, these are pretty. Number 5 is 8 pieces of 12mm Rodite faceted coin beads. Oh, these are pretty. See all that sparkle on them? Now, I'm sure if you get this box, I'm sure each one of us got a different, you know, our coins don't look the same, you know. But yeah, they have a really pretty sparkle to them because they're faceted. And number 6 is 2 pieces of 18 by 13mm Rodite oval beads. They have a nice big hole in the top. And each one's just a little bit different. Very pretty. And number 7 is 7.5 inch 4mm black tourmaline faceted round beads. Oh, these are pretty. I love pink and black. I worked with those beads a lot. I love this this color combo in this month's box. Love these black ones. Oh, you're gonna have to drag me out of my bead room now. Number 8 is 7.5 inch 10mm rose quartz matte round beads. So this is nice. You get like a big bead here. If you wanna do a little pop of a bright pink, but it's matte, so it's not gonna be too much, too overwhelming to whatever you add it with. Very pretty. Okay. And number 9 is 13 inch 3.5 by 3 crystal faceted Rondo beads in copper pink. These are pretty. These are pretty. I know some people complain because we get bicoms and these and everyone, but I always go through these. I don't have a problem using these. So these are really pretty. And number 10 is 15 inch 8 by 6mm crystal faceted Rondo beads in vintage mix. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah. I'm not sure. I might not even use these with this box. I might use this and make something totally different with this. I mean, you could use these or the purples. These are pretty, but if not, these are good for your stash. Lord knows we probably all have big stashes of beads. Okay, and number 11 is a 12 inch strand of 4mm crystal faceted bicom beads in antique copper. I always use these up every month. And when I don't use, I just put them here on the side and I use them up in other jewelry. So these never go to waste for me. Okay. And number 12 is 10 pieces of 11 by 10mm fancy coin beads. Oh, these are heavy. In lead, nickel, cadmium free for $2.99. We've gotten these before. These are nice. And they do have some weight on them. So if you're making a pair of earrings, I wouldn't use more than one. They're really nice. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. Number 13, 20 pieces of 8 by 5mm rope accent bead caps. Lead, nickel, cadmium free. Oh, these are cool. They have some width to them too. So make a nice spacer bead if you're using this for a bracelet or something, or even necklace. Very pretty. Okay, and number 14, 10 pieces of 13 by 9mm medallion drops, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Oh, these are pretty. So that's the back, and that's the front. These are really fun for like dangles of earrings because they're not heavy. Very pretty. And number 15 is 2 pieces of 35mm medallion pendant, lead, nickel, cadmium free for $2.99. It's the back, and it's the front. And what's cool is you can connect things onto the bottom. You can, you know, stitch around this, do something like that. There's a lot you can do with these. Or you can just use them like that. Make a simple pair of earrings with some copper ear wires. Number 16 is 3 sets of 23mm ornate round toggle clasps, lead, nickel, cadmium free. So it's cool. They have like a lighter copper and then a darker copper. You can see that. Very pretty. A lot of times I don't use those as toggle clasps. I'll use those as like something towards the pendant too. And number 17, last but not least, is steel 1 meter of 4mm steel Rollo jewelry chain, lead nickel free. I love this kind of chain. This is so nice. You can use it for so much. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing for Dusty Rose for January 2025. I'm really excited to work with this box. And like I said, I have a coupon code for BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below in the description, as well as the coupon code if you're interested. And let me know down in the comments if you get the bargain bead box or not. And I thank you, everybody, for watching. I hope everybody had a good holiday, and I hope we have a good 2025. And stay tuned. I have another video coming up if you are interested, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.